Hi guys, did you know that we can do virtual listing consultations, virtual showings, and even virtual open houses?
Here's how it works. We have all the tech and we've actually been deploying these methods for years already. We just need you to have your laptop or your phone.
We send you a link, you hop on a virtual call face-to-face with us, and we can walk you through an entire house.
And then we'll either do our meeting or show you the house. That way you can see the neighborhood, you can see everything that you're wanting to see from the safety of your own home on your couch with your coffee.
What's cool about this is you're still totally in control. You're still part of the process.
And you're able to save your time, your money, and your exposure.
And it's a real-time, face-to-face situation in which you get to ask questions, go through a contract, and understand the process entirely. We just want to know who you are. If you're interested in real estate, we love real estate, we want to talk about it.
If you're curious and wanting to know more about what this process would look like, just fill out the form below and one of us will get in touch with you. We would love to talk about how we can help you reach your goals. Don't get left out of the market. We've got your back.